More deviled eggs, Mr. Spivey?
It's Fernando. And yes, thank you. So, Geneva, perhaps you'd be free to pop by some evening and take a look at my map collection?
Well, as fascinating as that sounds, I happen to know where I'm going.
Okay. I've been sitting on this long enough. Let's talk about this C-, Mr. Spivey.
Tyler, Mr. Spivey doesn't want to talk about that right now.
But I do. Now, if you recall, question 15, name the 7 wonders of the modern world.
Well, yes, Tyler, I recall. But I must say, as talented as he is, I can't accept Stevie as the 7th wonder.
Okay, but I got the other 6 right, and you marked the whole question wrong. Now, is that fair?
Very well, Tyler. I'll change your C- to a C+.
Yes, now that's a grade.
Mr. Spivey, you're the most generous, fair-minded teacher in the contiguous 48 states.
Oh, sweetheart, I am very impressed. And that deserves a slice of coconut cream pie.
Please, Geneva. Allow me to assist you. I know my way around the globe. And the kitchen.
Okay, Tyler, stop drinking our food. Now that's enough. Okay, let's go. You got your stupid grade, now you can go home.
Well, if that's the way you feel, I go, okay? But, I'm not the one you should be kicking out. It's your mom, because he's trying to get with her.
You're crazy.
Wait. I'm crazy? At least I know there are 50 states.
I said contiguous.